And the second part of the question says, compare the structure of nylon 6 with the structure of nylon 6,6, which we looked at already today. It says, which polymer exhibits a smaller repeating unit? Well, if we draw the repeating unit of nylon 6, we see that it looks like this, where we have our carbonyl, and then we have our nitrogen like this. So this is our repeating unit, whereas the repeating unit in nylon 6,6 is significantly longer. So I'm just going to draw it down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now we have our nitrogen, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the repeating unit of nylon 6,6. And so it's nylon 6 that has the smaller repeating unit. And I just noticed a small mistake here. I should have put the letter N here, not the number 6. And I need to put the letter N there to represent the number of repeating units.